Hello friends, welcome to FluentFury. This episode is your 5 minutes English shadowing practice. Even if you are busy, yes, even if you are walking, cooking or lying in bed, you can do this right now. No excuses. You got 5 minutes, right? That's all you need. This is not just listening, it's speaking practice. So open your mouth and shadow with me. And make sure you watch this video until the very end. Don't pause, don't skip. Stay with me until the end. So, let's begin. Alright, every day begins in the morning. When I wake up, the first thing I do is open the curtains. I open the curtains and let the light in. Now, you say it. I open the curtains and let the light in. Then I take a deep breath and stretch. Now you say it. I take a deep breath and stretch. Great. Sometimes I don't want to get up. I think just 5 more minutes. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Awesome. Then I finally sit up and check my phone. I check my phone for messages. Now your turn. Say it slowly. I check my phone for messages. After that, I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. Good. I make a cup of coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. I grab a quick breakfast. I skip breakfast when I am late. Sometimes I bring food from home. Other days I eat at a small cafe. I eat lunch with my colleagues. I listen to music while I eat. After eating, I go for a short walk to feel fresh. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay awake. I focus on finishing my work. When I finally get home, I just want to relax. Very good, my friend. You just practiced almost a full day in English in just 5 minutes. That's amazing progress. The more you describe your own day in English, the more natural you will sound. Thanks for joining me today. This is Fluent Fury. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving. Bye for now.